welcome back to my channel. This is me, Lavisha. So in this video I will be giving you room tour of Miranda house hostel. So let's get started. So let's go inside. Welcome to my hostel room. So when you enter the room from this door, there is this window. This is for ventilation, and next to it there is almirah. This almirah is in sharing. This is my part and this is my roommate's part, and it looks like this. And inside you got 4 columns and it has enough space. So moving towards bedside, this is double sharing room. This is my bed, this is my roommate's bed, and both have separate study table. This is my study table, this is my roommate's study table, but dressing table isn't sharing. So let me give you closer look of the study table. This is storage space. Okay, there you can keep your books and stuff. I have kept my stuff here. This is study table area, and there is a storage space. I have kept my books in these. There are 2 storage boxes, and this is the dressing table, and this is me. Here you have this board to mark your important things and stuff. This is my roommate's area, and this is the second door of the room. So like we dry our clothes here. Let me take you to the next side of the room. This is the backside balcony. From there you can see college. That is basketball court, garden. Okay, let's go inside. We have 4 tubes in this room. 1, 2, same 4 total. Okay, so that's it for the today's video. This is my hostel room, and I'll be showing you the entire hostel in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so make sure you do subscribe it. Stay tuned for the next video.